Good day, everyone, and a warm welcome to our channel. Are you wondering why your accredited employer work visa application is taking longer to process than expected? You're not alone. Many applicants experience delays, and today we are diving deep into the key factors that affect processing times and what you can do about it. Stay tuned. The first step in understanding your visa processing time is to check your application status. You can log into your immigration online account to track progress. If more information is required, Immigration New Zealand will contact you via email, so keep an eye on your inbox, including your junk and spam folders. Some applications are processed faster than others. If your application is straightforward, it meets all the requirements, including the necessary documents, and has no issues. But if your application is complex, it can take much longer. Let's explore some of the reasons. Your application might be complex if you're applying for the first time. There are medical concerns or past medical history. Additional verifications are needed, like police checks or qualification assessments. Your travel history or past visa status raises concerns. You have character issues, such as a criminal record or deportation from another country. Providing the right evidence in the correct format is crucial. Immigration New Zealand asks for specific documents, and submitting extra or irrelevant documents can actually slow down processing. Here are key points to remember. Only provide documents requested in the application guidelines. Ensure documents are in the correct format: PDF for official documents and JPEG for photos. If documents are not in English, include an official translation. Double check that all evidence is up to date and relevant to avoid unnecessary delays. If your visa application is sponsored, ensure your sponsor completes the required online forms as soon as possible. Immigration New Zealand cannot process your application until this step is completed. Follow up with your sponsor to confirm they have submitted all necessary documents and forms to prevent unnecessary delays. Your sponsor should also meet the financial and character requirements, and Immigration New Zealand may request additional information from them. Character concerns are a major reason for visa delays. If you have a criminal record, past immigration violations, or have been deported, Immigration New Zealand will take extra time to assess your case. In some situations, you might need a character waiver or a special direction to proceed. Common character issues include past criminal convictions, even minor ones, involvement in human rights abuses, being deported or removed from another country. If any of these apply to you, you must declare them in your application. Immigration New Zealand may grant a character waiver in some cases, but failure to disclose information can lead to visa refusal. If required, you may need to submit police clearance certificates or additional documents proving good character. Honesty is key when applying for a visa. If Immigration New Zealand finds false or misleading information in your application, they will assess whether the false information was intentional, the significance of the misleading details, your overall character and travel history. If your application is declined due to false information, any future applications may also be affected. Always provide accurate and complete information to avoid complications. If a mistake was made, be proactive and explain it in your application. Providing fraudulent documents or withholding important details can lead to bans on future visa applications. Want to avoid unnecessary delays? Here are some quick tips. Double check your application for mistakes or missing documents. Provide only the required evidence. Extra documents can actually slow things down. If your visa is linked to a sponsor, make sure they complete their part of the process. If you applied online, don't send your physical passport, just a scanned copy is enough. Visa processing times can vary based on the visa type and circumstances. To get the most up to date information on how long your visa might take, visit the official Immigration New Zealand website. The site provides estimated processing times for different visa types, helping you to plan your application accordingly. Some applications are processed within a few weeks, while others might take several months. Checking processing times regularly can help you set realistic expectations. To check the latest processing times, follow these steps. Go to Immigration New Zealand's website, navigate to Check Visa Processing Times section, select your visa type from the drop down menu, review the estimated processing times based on recent applications. Immigration New Zealand updates their timelines regularly, so be sure to check them frequently. The processing times can depend on the number of applications being processed, the complexity of your case, and whether additional information is required. If you're applying for an AEWV with a reused job token, Immigration New Zealand may only start processing your application when your current visa is within 9 months of expiry. So plan accordingly. If you're uncertain about your eligibility, consult Immigration New Zealand's website or seek professional advice. The maximum time you can stay in New Zealand on your AEWV depends on your job and score level and your wage. You can stay for up to 5 years, but if you are paid below New Zealand dollars 29.66 per hour or your job is at ANSCO level 4 or 5, your maximum stay may be shorter. Once you reach the maximum stay, you must leave New Zealand for 12 months before reapplying. If you're planning for a long-term residence, explore other visa pathways before reaching your AEWV limit. Processing delays can be frustrating, but understanding the reasons can help you prepare better. We'll leave the link to Immigration New Zealand's website in the description for your reference. This to assist in checking your visa processing timelines. If you require assistance or guidance with your New Zealand work visa, connect with us using the contact details on screen. If you found this information valuable, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on immigration policies and other insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.